Tropical storm Melissa may be hundreds of miles away from Jamaica, but there were already dramatic scenes across the corporate area today as heavy rain pounded the island. Several roads were flooded, leading to a traffic nightmare in Kingston and St. Andrew. More in this report.
Birdsucker Avenue, St. Andrew, minutes after heavy rainfall across the corporate area Tuesday afternoon. While Jamaicans were being warned to avoid flooded streets, this brave motorist took a chance. The footage, captured by a motorist, Mark Cameron, who seemed adamant to watch how it would unfold.
This road is almost impassable. This guy is coming. This is that's the kind of car you need for Jamaica.
Moments later, another motorist skillfully navigated the flood water to get to the other side of the street. We were told scenes like these were common across the corporate area after the heavy downpour. On Linders Road near Broadcast House, a similar story, streets flooded in minutes. Then, after the water receded, the ripple effect, a traffic nightmare. Motorists moving at snail's pace along Spanish Town Road as the traffic extended for miles.
I don't know what's going on, but I'm in the traffic for about half an hour, from 6 Mile into 3 Mile, and I just don't know what's going on.
In Portmore, St. Catherine, more flooding. Residents say recent rains caused the sections of a perimeter wall behind the scheme to collapse, and since then it has been causing a blockage in the community.
We have two fences that fall down at the gully, and each time the rain falls, there's a blockage. So it intends to flood the two road, going inside of the houses and so forth. So the city association come together and try a little thing for themselves. So as a member of the community, we join hands with them.
And with Tropical Storm Melissa on the horizon, residents are worried that the island's infrastructure may never hold up. So they have to take matters into their own hands where possible.
Hearing about the weather now are going to come. Yeah. So we try now to come together as community member and clear it.
The resident build beyond their boundary and build on the drain reservation and also on the drain wall that was there. However, the Portmore Municipal Council have begun to serve notice on them because a lot of those drains collapse and block the free flow of water and causing flooding within the Edgewater community.
In the meantime, Mayor of Kingston, Andrew Swaby, is worried the flooding and damage caused by October rains are just a fraction of destruction that could come from Melissa if the country doesn't use the next few hours to prepare.
We know where we live. We know what happens in the past, and we should try our best to make sure that doesn't happen again. If the rain is heavy or fall for a prolonged period of time, yes, there might be flooding. But if your area is prone to flooding, probably it's best to go somewhere else during that period or go into a shelter.